Well, I think the public policy is critically important, but I think we have to realize that so often the public policy issues, depending on what issue you're dealing with, has to be driven by communities versus the foundations thinking that they know what the best public policy issues are for local communities, may it be for early childhood development or Head Start or whatever. Because the more you can start involving people from communities, start identifying and realizing the impact public policy has on their lives, then you can start working with them and have them start surfacing these issues. I think where Council of Michigan Foundations, Michigan Nonprofit Alliance has been effective in public policy, were here listening to their members and understanding that there were some things that could truly benefit local communities. So if you look at the Community Foundation tax credit, that wasn't something that necessarily the Council of Michigan Foundations just dreamt up one day. It was because of demand of donors and their local community foundations who are identifying such a need and ways it could build some local additional resources that could stay in their local community. And then because of those types of partnerships and the trust and the nonpartisanship, it was then government who started coming to organizations such as the Council of Michigan Foundations with tobacco money saying, you know, we've got all this money, how can we get this down into communities? Well, CMF was able to deliver a community foundation in every county to serve every individual in the state. What a better mechanism there is to start utilizing those types of resources so government starts understanding the role that philanthropy and nonprofit sector can play because of that nonpartisanship, those long-standing relationships. You know, fortunately we don't have term limits as in foundations, and so it's not trying to have to make an impact in just 4 years, now having to get reelected for my final term or something.